So we're in London at Cable Next Gen Europe. I'm here with my colleague Jeff Baumgartner, who's been in London for a couple of days, sampling the delights of the UK capital and all it has to offer, and some of which it doesn't.
It has been incredible on all fronts, for sure.
Excellent. Yep. And today we had an incredible event. More people than we had seats for at this event, which is at an inaugural event, so that was absolutely fantastic.
It's a great thing.
And covered an awful lot of ground. But what would be the two key takeaways from today's event for you?
Well, we did cover a lot of ground. I think there's two things to talk about. One is that the cable operators are no longer kind of in similar lockstep on what they're going to do next. And then also, what does 5G mean to the cable industry? Is it a friend? Is it a foe? And I think it's still a little bit of both. I don't think we really know precisely if it's going to be one or the other.
Okay. And so in terms of the cable operators maybe having diverse views about where they go next, is that a regional thing, like the US operators different from the European operators, or even the European operators different because they have different plans? Or?
Yeah, I think the plans are kind of different even within region. Even within the US, even within North America, even within Europe. Some are doing this N+0 architecture, moving to full duplex. Some operators are never going to go to N+0 and want to do, what are you going to do then if you need to get to symmetrical gigabit speeds? So there's a lot of fragmentation in terms of how you're going to get from point A to point Z in that case. And I think that there's a lot of financial drivers there, but there's also some drivers that are based on what's the state of your network now.
Okay, right. And then in terms of the 5G question, are you feeling or sensing any kind of nervousness or trepidation from the cable operators? Are they concerned about what 5G will mean for them, or they're kind of just waiting to see how they can benefit from it?
Well, I don't think they're dismissing it as a threat, particularly even as even an in-home broadband play.
Right, because there's some people who think that like Verizon's early 5G fixed wireless access is a direct threat to cable operators.
Yeah, I think it is, but the threat is still pretty small right now. And again, I don't think they're dismissing it.
What, week 4 or something?
Yeah, exactly. It's like, all right.
But by this time next year, there might be a few sweat beads on the brow.
We'll have to see, where 12 months gets us. But right now, I think that they're all viewing it as kind of a minor threat that just we need to keep an eye on. But at the same time, it needs a lot of backhaul, small cell architecture, and these are things where the cable operators can really help the carriers
and providing some edge compute capabilities as well. So.
That's right. Yeah. So again, it's kind of this frenemy situation, but it's like, is it more friend or more enemy? I think we still need a little bit of time to kind of figure out where it's going to balance out.
Okay. Well, I have absolutely no doubt that this event will be back next year. In fact, I think Brussels is the designated location for next year. So by that time, maybe we'll have more of a view, and I'm sure we'll have another couple of hundred people talking about it. Jeff, great to see you.
You too. Thanks, Ray.